going to be our basic core routine for the half marathon program. You're going to do 1 minute per exercise.
Alright, so first things first is we're going to do a bridge. Alright, you're going to try to bring your heels as close to your butt as possible. Nice shoulder width, so take your feet out just a little bit more. Alright, you're going to bring your pelvis up as high as possible. You're going to hold it for about 1 second and drop right back down. You're going to perform this for 1 minute, nice and slow, keeping your core tight. What we're working on is your glutes, your hamstrings, and a lot of your core, your midsection and lower back. Next, Erica's going to do a double crunch. Basically, you're going to bring your upper body and lower body up at the same time. You're going to squeeze your abdominals, and you're going to breathe out every time you contract your abdominals. So every time you come up, you breathe out and squeeze. Every time you come down, you're going to breathe in. Alright? We're going to perform that once again for 1 minute. Then you're going to flip over onto your stomach. You are going to be bringing your lower body and upper body off the ground. Hold for about a second and then drop right back down. This is a Superman. Alright, you're going to be isolating your lower back. Next, you're going to go into a plank. This is a full plank. You're going to hold this position for the whole duration of the minute. If you need to take a break, you're going to simply drop your knees down, maintain that level back for the remainder of the minute. Keep track of how long it takes before you have to take a break, because of course your goal is to maintain this for the whole minute. Alright? Next exercise, you'll come up and you'll perform a squat. I want your feet shoulder width. You're going to come back, throwing your butt back. I don't want your knees coming over your toes. You're going to bring your chest forward, and you're going to come try to about 90 degrees, and then come right back up. Bringing the pelvis all the way forward. Hands can come out as a counterbalance, and then back on up. Now, of course, go to what's comfortable. Come to about here, and then over the course of the whole program, you come lower and lower. Alright? Next is push-ups. So, you start from your knees, hands are going to be just outside shoulder width. You're going to lower the body, and then push yourself back up. I want you coming all the way to the ground. So bring your chest all the way, let your weight off, and then push yourself forward. Staying on your knees the whole time. Once again for a minute. Alright. Next, you're going to rotate over onto your back. This is a bicycle. Alright, you're going to bring an elbow to knee and then alternate to the other side. Once again, contracting the core. A little bit like the double crunch, but now we're going to be engaging your side obliques. So you have side obliques right here on the side. You got lower abdominals and upper abdominals. Alright. Now the last one is a side plank. 2 different levels to a side plank. First one, coming onto your elbow, staying on your knee. This is going to be a little bit less, but once again, we're working your side obliques. Level 2 would be both legs completely up, and then you can take that arm up to the sky. That is level 2. Alright, a little bit harder and something to progress towards. Then you're going to switch over to the other side. This is only 30 seconds. Alright, some of our stronger cores, you can go for a full minute, but you're just going to do 30 seconds on each side in the beginning, just to cap off your workout. This is our core workout. I want you doing these about once a week. Good warm up, and then that's it.
Thanks, you guys.
Bye-bye.